palliative, and a mother of palliative will start in the next 1 week across the state. Not only that, in order that every household is touched, we decided to emulate one of our founding fathers of this great country, Pa Awolowo, to bring about free education in Kogi State. And today, from primary school to senior secondary school, our institutions, public institution, is free of charge. I know surely that when you vote Ahmed Usman Ododo and Joel Salifu, they will build on these legacies we are having today. I will not bore you with any speech, and please, in order that we save the time of the Vice President, our National Chairman, and our dignitaries, we will simply allow the National Chairman to present flag to our candidate. Then the Chairman of our Campaign Council will give us his own keynote address, and the Vice President will crown it up. Then we sing the national anthem, and then we close the day. I thank you, and God bless all of you. The National Chairman, sir.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the merciful, Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, my brother, the host governor, the governor of Kogi State, members of the National Campaign Council, the chairman of Nigerian Governors Forum and the governor of Kwara State, the governor of the campaign, the chairman of the Campaign Council, and the governor of Ogun State. In order to save time, our gubernatorial candidate for Kogi State, Ahmed Usman Ododo, and his deputy, all important dignitaries who are here, most importantly, these young men and women who are more in number, peace be upon you all. First of all, we have to thank the Vice President for having time to attend to this historic occasion. And secondly, we have to thank your governor, your outgoing governor, who has come with an incoming governor, Governor Yahaya Bello. We have to thank him for providing good governance to the people of Kogi State for the last 7.5 years. You are all aware, he has changed the landscape of Kogi State. You are all aware, he has provided good and lasting infrastructural facilities in Kogi State. Some have been completed, some are ongoing, some are on the drawing board. The reason why I'm making this reference is to inform you that you need continuity, you need consolidation, and you need sustainability. If you are to get this, then don't make a mistake. You must vote for your candidate, a young man who can carry the banner in the name of Ahmed Usman Ododo. Kogi State, you are blessed. God has blessed you with something. Let me tell you, God has blessed you with something. God has blessed you with many ethnic nationalities. God has blessed you with many tribes. God has blessed you many people from different parts of this country. All what it requires is for you to consolidate and unite and build a strong unity in diversity. This is what is required of you at this moment. I am happy to hear about the Kogi development agenda. The Kogi development agenda is the unity in diversity. We expect you to cast your vote to our great party, the APC. With these few remarks, I now we are handing over the flag of success. This is Ahmed Usman.
Let's go to the front, sir. Let's go to the front.
Okay.
Let's go to the front. Let's go to the front.
This is Ahmed Usman Ododo as governor. Thank you. The incoming. Where is the deputy? Okay. Hold it. Yes! This is the right man. This is the right candidate. The right person. The successful person. This is the man who will deliver good governance to the people of Kogi State. This is the right candidate. This is the only candidate. This is the right candidate. This is the only candidate that can be voted for successful and good governance for the people of Kogi State.
Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Kashim Shettima GCON, Your Excellency, the Chairman of our great party, former Governor Umar Ganduje CON, Your Excellency, the host governor, my brother and friend, Governor Yahaya Bello, and his deputy, Your Excellency, the chairman of Nigerian Governors Forum, Governor Abdurrahman Razak, all other distinguished guests that are here present, members of the National Working Committee that are here. Let me stand on existing protocols. APC! APC! I'm going to say APC one more time. And our president, President Ashwaju, must hear in Abuja. Oh, APC! Are we ready to go vote for Ododo or not? Everybody vote for Ododo. Ododo. Everybody vote for. By the grace of God, come November 11th, 2023. By that evening, we'll be shouting, winner, oh, winner, winner, oh, Oh, do you don't win, oh. Pata, pata, you go win again, oh. Like our chairman said, it's important to consolidate on the successes of the White Lion, who has done very well for the people and government of this great state, the state of confluence. He has improved the state of security, healthcare, infrastructure, education, to say the least. We must consolidate on this. We must sustain this trajectory of development. We cannot afford, like the Vice President said, to have a stranger in the government house. We have APC in Abuja. It's important that we have APC in Kogi. There must be an alignment of thoughts so that there can be a synergy. So we must all troop out in our thousands. If you have not collected your PVC, go and collect your PVC and call all your wards, your children, march out on November 11th and let us go and vote APC. I want to thank and appreciate all the DCAMPs that have joined our party. Our party is now a much bigger party than even Governor Yahya Bello met it. We have members from SDP, from ADC, from PDP, and from Accord. There's only one party in Kogi. And what is that party? What is that party? Any other party is a counterfeit. Thank you very much for listening to me. I also want to recognize and thank the members of NMPP that have come to us. We thank you very much. And also members of the Labour Party. We thank you very much. God bless you. We are an inclusive party. We are ready. Our doors are open. Our chairman is able. We are going to carry all of you along. Nobody will be treated like a stranger. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Acceptance speech.
APC! APC! Your Excellency, the Vice President of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Kashim Shettima, our leader, our mentor. Your Excellency, the national chairman of our great party and the former governor of Kano State, His Excellency Umar Abdullahi Ganduje, and all other national working committee present here. Your Excellency, my elder brother, the governor of Ogun State, who doubles as the chairman, Kogi State Governorship National Campaign Council. Your Excellency, my elder brother, the governor of Kwara State, Governor Abdurazak, Abdurrahman, and every other governor here present. Your Excellency, my mentor, my role model, my guidance, my everything, His Excellency Alhaji Yahya Bello, the White Lion. Because of want of time, I want to recognize every critical stakeholders of our great party and the entire nation present here. Your Excellency, I want to sincerely appreciate Mr. President and yourself for the recognition given the youth and the young people in governance. I also want to appreciate His Excellency Alhaji Yahya Bello, the Executive Governor of Kogi State, for not only giving recognition to the young people in governance, but expanding
the chances of younger generation in governance and active politics. Your Excellency, I don't want to waste your time. Kogi State is APC. APC is Kogi State. Our agenda is Kogi agenda for development. And Kogi agenda is consolidation, continuity, and sustainability in the area of security, agriculture, education, human capital development, and women empowerment. Your Excellency, our mandate is mandate for the unity and greatness of our dear state. And as such, we are coming to consolidate and improve on the achievement of His Excellency Alhaji Yahaya Bello. Your Excellency, I want to sincerely appreciate you for taking time to honor this occasion. This honor is for the unity of our dear nation. This honor is for peace and harmony. This honor is for the entire nation. And as such, I have no reason not to deliver. And as I have said, I am not going to disappoint myself. I'm not going to disappoint His Excellency. I'm not going to disappoint the younger generation and the youth. I'm not going to disappoint the entire nation. You yourself and Mr. President will be proud to say that you have a son in me in Kogi State to deliver on the mandate under His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu renewed hope. For want of time, to the glory of God and for the benefit of mankind, I accept the mandate to be the governor of Kogi State for the greatness and unity of our dear state. I want to sincerely appreciate you, and I wish each and every one of you a safe journey back to your various destinations. Thank you and God bless you.
Your Excellency, Mr. Vice President, sir.
Your Excellency, the national chairman of our great party, Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, CON, and members of the National Working Committee of the party, Your Excellency, Malan Abdul Rahman Abdul Razak, the chairman of the Nigeria Governors Forum, Your Excellency, Prince Dapo Abiodun, the Governor of Ogun State and Chairman of Kogi Gubernatorial National Campaign Council, Your Excellency, our Chief Host, the White Lion, Alhaji Yahaya Bello, the Executive Governor of Kogi State, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Kogi State, Chief Edward David Onoja, members of the National Assembly present here, the Honorable Minister of Steel, our gubernatorial candidate, Ahmed Usman Ododo, and his deputy, Mr. Joel Oibo, our state chairman of the party, and the NWC of the party in the state, the Speaker of the Kogi State House of Assembly and members of the Kogi State House of Assembly, the Secretary to the Kogi State Government and members of the Kogi State Executive Council, our team in party supporters, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the good people of Kogi, kindly lend me your ears. I'm here at the behest of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to deliver his message to the good people of Kogi State. For us to build on the legacies or the purpose of continuity and consolidation, it has become imperative for the people of Kogi to align themselves with the center. The president is a man of courage and conviction. He's a man pregnant with ideas on how to reposition the Nigerian nation. But Kogi, which is one of the frontier states in the north, Kogi, the confluence state, cannot afford to have a state government hostile to the government at the center. For the people of Kogi to benefit immensely from the 8-point agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for the people of Kogi to benefit from the natural resources of Kogi, is absolutely essential that we should vote for a younger, a much more patriotic person who is grounded with the realities of Kogi existence. The president has just approved funds for the construction of the Ganaja Road. And be rest assured that the Abuja-Lokoja-Okene Road, the Kaba-Ilorin Road, is also going to receive federal attention. Most importantly, to the people of Kogi, the Ajaokuta steel plant is the largest single project in this nation. In his ingenuity, the president appointed a son of Kogi, a scion of Kogi, from one of the prominent families in Kogi, Prince Shuaibu Abubakar Audu, to be the Minister of Steel Development. Fundamentally, he was placed in that position to promote, project, preserve the interests of the people of Kogi, to see to the realization of the Ajaokuta Steel Complex, which is 98% completed. The Ajaokuta and Itakpe plants will help meet federal government's needs for the fulfillment of the 8-point agenda with respect to job creation and foreign direct investments. Most importantly, Ajaokuta has the capacity to produce components for the CNG buses as part of the federal government's gas master plan to cushion the effects of the fuel subsidy removal. Ajaokuta has the potential to create up to 500,000 jobs once Ajaokuta is designated as an industrial park and free trade zone. Give us the opportunity. Give this young man the opportunity to shepherd the sheep of the state in Kogi. Be rest assured that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will see to the fruition of the Alakpe crop processing zone in Kogi State. We know the problems of the youth of Kogi. They want jobs. They want education. They want means of livelihood. You are better off following the man where no road. You are better off following the man where Sabi road. This is a young man who has identified with you in President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You have a leader with the empathy and most importantly, with the capacity to catapult this nation to a higher pedestal. I want to urge you. I want to beseech thee. I want to implore on you. Come November 11th, I want you to come out massively and vote for this young man, Ahmed Usman Ododo, and Joel Oyibo, to catapult your state to the next level. Thank you so much. Long live Kogi State. Long live the Republic of Nigeria. Ododo. Thank you.
National anthem. National anthem, please.